Guys, what is wrong with this Google? Whenever I check, see this red, you can see. I want to know what is the meaning of this noise and something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it also. But when I try to check the meaning in the Google, see. What? Sorry. So noise and meaning. NUI. So the network is not working. What is wrong with this? This Google, she's cheating. She support this scam, this fake, So when I thought it's the data is khatam, but see, when I go to the Instagram, I open the Instagram. Everything is working. Everything is working. And when I go to the YouTube also, भाई चलो. अरे, what is this? Oh my god. See, the YouTube is working. But when I go to Google and search this meaning, now saying meaning. Oh, acha, now it's working fine. See, this is the meaning of this. That number used to call me, and I blocked that number and keep continuing to call me more than 3-4 times in a day. So I don't know what's wrong with that. What is the problem? What they want, what they need. Salah chupke.